The battery world is changing fast. For years, lithium-ion dominated everything: electric vehicles, phones, and grid storage. But now, a powerful new competitor is emerging: sodium-ion batteries, safer, more affordable, and built from one of the most abundant materials on Earth. Today, we explore whether sodium-ion technology can challenge lithium-ion and reshape the future of energy storage. Welcome to the Plug-in Report. Let's dive in. In Denver, Colorado, a major milestone just happened. Peak Energy has powered up the first grid-scale sodium-ion battery installation in the United States, a 3.5 megawatt-hour facility, and the first fully passive megawatt-hour battery system in the world. No complex cooling systems, no rare metals, just sodium, abundant, stable, and affordable. Peak Energy says their sodium-ion system looks and feels like a lithium system, but offers lower fire risk, better cold weather performance, and lower long-term costs. Why are companies excited about sodium-ion batteries? Because they offer several key advantages: lower-cost raw materials, reduced fire risk, better performance in extreme heat and freezing cold, slower battery degradation over time. Peak Energy estimates sodium-ion can reduce lifetime operating costs by up to 20% when compared to lithium iron phosphate batteries, also known as LFP. As global lithium prices rise and supply chains tighten, sodium could play a crucial role in stabilizing the energy market. While the US is just beginning, China is already scaling sodium-ion quickly. Recent installations in China include a 100 megawatt, 200 megawatt-hour sodium-ion facility, and a 200 megawatt, 400 megawatt-hour hybrid sodium and lithium system, cutting system costs by 30%. China dominated lithium battery manufacturing, and it looks ready to repeat that strategy with sodium. But American companies like Peak Energy are betting they can catch up as demand grows. And analysts expect global energy storage capacity to increase 12-fold in the next decade. There is room for both technologies to thrive. But progress hasn't been without setbacks. Two major US sodium-ion companies, Natron Energy and Bedrock Materials, closed in 2025. These failures made critics question sodium-ion's readiness, but researchers say those companies may have been too early to market. They focused on data center backup systems before demand truly surged. Innovation isn't smooth or predictable. Even Tesla struggled in its early years. Sodium-ion's development curve is simply finding its pace. Where does sodium-ion shine today? Short duration, high-power storage, ideal for commercial backup systems, industrial power buffering data centers, urban energy storage, where safety is critical. Sodium-ion is not replacing lithium in long-duration storage yet. And it isn't powering electric cars, at least not right now. But for short, fast bursts of energy, sodium has a real advantage, especially as cities and utilities push for safer battery solutions after high-profile lithium battery fires, like the Moss Landing incident in California. Peak Energy uses a sodium pyrophosphate chemistry known as NFPP with impressive results: up to 90% less energy needed for cooling, 33% slower degradation over 20 years, 20% lower lifetime cost than LFP batteries, and dramatically reduced fire risk. In hot climates with intense cooling demands, and in cold climates where efficiency drops, sodium-ion can outperform lithium-ion economically and operationally. Peak says it has already won bids against Tesla and CATL on cost and performance. That's a major signal to the industry. So, is sodium-ion about to replace lithium-ion? Not yet. But here's what we do know. Sodium-ion is real, it's commercially deployed, and it's ready to take a significant role in energy storage, especially for safer, short-duration applications. The future of batteries won't be one chemistry wins all. It will be multiple technologies working together, and sodium-ion just took a major step forward. Thanks for watching the Plug-in Report. If you found this video useful, tap like, subscribe, and comment below. Do you think sodium-ion will take over the energy storage market? Let us know your thoughts. See you in the next video.